Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will look at third-person pronouns, he, him, and his. Let's begin. When we talk about someone who is a male, we say he, him, and his. First, let's practice replacing nouns with the pronoun he. Johnny is 10 years old. Johnny likes to paint. Now let's add the pronoun he. Johnny is 10 years old. He likes to paint. Now it's your turn to practice. Harry is from France. Harry speaks French. Can you fill in the blank for me with the correct pronoun? Go ahead. That's right. Harry is from France. He speaks French. Brett loves ice cream. Brett eats ice cream every day. Can you fill in the blank for me using the correct pronoun? You got it! Brett loves ice cream. He eats ice cream every day. Next, let's practice using the pronoun him. This is my friend Eric. I go to the same art class as Eric. Now let's add the pronoun him. This is my friend Eric. I go to the same art class as him. Now it's your turn to practice. This is my brother. I go to school with my brother every day. Can you fill in the blank for me using the appropriate pronoun? Go ahead. That's right. This is my brother. I go to school with him every day. My dad is here to pick me up. I was waiting for my dad. Can you fill in the blank for me using the appropriate pronoun? Go ahead. That's right. My dad is here to pick me up. I was waiting for him. Next, let's practice using the pronoun his. This is Peter. This is Peter's hat. I like Peter's hat. Let's read the story again. This time, let's add the pronoun his. This is Peter. This is his hat. I like his hat. Now it's your turn to practice. Dan is cold. Where are Dan's gloves? Dan's hands are cold. Dan's gloves are warm. Dan should wear Dan's gloves. Can you fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns? Go ahead. You got it. Dan is cold. Where are his gloves? His hands are cold. His gloves are warm. He should wear his gloves. Spot is Peter's cat. Peter's cat loves playing with Peter. Last one. Can you fill in the blanks for me with appropriate pronouns? Go ahead. That's it. Spot is Peter's cat. His cat loves playing with him. Great work. That is all for this lesson. You did wonderful. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what third-person pronouns are. I can replace nouns with he, him, and his appropriately.